Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you what is depression and its signs. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. A mental illness called depression results in enduring emotions of melancholy, emptiness, and lack of joy. It is distinct from the mood swings that people typically encounter on a daily basis. Major life events, including a death in the family or the loss of a career, might cause reliable source of depression. But depression is separate from the bad sensations a person may momentarily have in response to a traumatic life event. 1. It's challenge getting out of bed. It's acceptable to enjoy waking up late or lounging in bed. However, it may indicate depression if it has become tough for you to get out of bed or get ready in the morning. Even seemingly simple chores, such as getting out of bed in the morning or taking a shower, can feel physically draining and taxing when we are depressed. 2. Persistently down and depressed. It's normal to experience sadness occasionally. Our lives can be incredibly stressful at times. Work demands, emotional family concerns, and life in general can all be challenging at times. However, if you notice that these poor feelings are sticking around for a longer period of time than usual and you feel like you just can't shake it, you might be depressed. 3. Loss of interest in previously enjoyed activities. We occasionally lose interest in things we once loved. We might notice that our prior enthusiasm for reading has waned, or that our prior enthusiasm for sports or the arts has soured. Some things simply slip by the wayside as we age and our life experiences alter. However, it may be more than simply a normal waning of your interest if you discover that even getting the energy to accomplish things becomes difficult. These pursuits, such as socializing with friends or even carrying out basic housework, can seem worthless when you suffer from depression. 4. A sense of unworthiness. Everybody has low self-esteem days and times when they feel they've let themselves or others down. Perhaps you received a poor mark in school or missed a deadline at work. It is common to temporarily feel angry with our acts or behaviors as a way of dealing with feelings of disappointment. You might constantly feel unworthy or inadequate in several spheres of your life if you're depressed. 5. Poor mental focus. It may be an indication of depression if you find it difficult to concentrate at work, in class, or on routine duties around the house. Even the most routine and simple tasks can become challenging to manage and accomplish, since depression can have an impact on a person's physical and mental health. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.